I gave you standard form. And if I want to actually look at if it's parallel, perpendicular, or neither, I probably want to look at their, what? Their slopes. Well, what's the easy way to look at their slopes? I can transform them into slope-intercept form. Then I'll show you a shortcut afterwards. So let's put these in slope-intercept form. I'll subtract 2x. Negative 4y equals negative 2x plus 3. Pay attention to this fraction. I'm going to, what? Divide by negative 4. I'm going to write this next step a little bit longer just so that you can see it. This cancels. You're left with y equals negative 2x minus 4 plus a 3 over negative 4. Right? If you work backwards, this would be, you can add the, well, you can add the fractions because they have a common denominator. Yes? Yes. And I'm trying to show that to you what it means to, when you're doing it here, it's like a split. So now I'm left with y equals what? 1/2 x minus 3/4. This is my first equation. Second one, do the same thing. Subtract 4x. Negative 8y equals negative 4x plus 7. Divided by negative 8. Tell me. Y equals, try to reduce at the same time, 1/2 x. There's the 1/2 x, yes? Minus 7/8. Put your finger on the two slopes. You have it right there in slope-intercept form. What do you guys notice about their slopes? They're the same, so are the y-intercepts the same?
No.
No, so because they have different y-intercepts, it's off. Does that make sense? And the lines are what? The answer is parallel. Ready for the shortcut? In the beginning, we said that these are in what form? Standard form. You can add this to your notes. In standard form, the shortcut is the slope is equal to a over b. Actually, it would be the opposite. So if you took 2 over negative 4, that would give you negative 1/2. And you take the opposite of that, that would give you 1/2. 4 divided by negative 8 is negative 1/2, and the opposite of that would give you a positive 1/2. So I didn't have to actually transform into slope-intercept form, but two ways you can identify whether it's parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Put into slope-intercept form, or use the slope of negative a over b.